everyone, Karima. Actually, I've been to yoga like before this course also, but this course has changed me completely, like in the technical terms of yoga. So before that, it was just asanas practice, but now it is more deeper levels. And with the help of Sir, I am able to acknowledge my more deeper range of motions, which I was not aware. I was trying myself to adapt some poses, but when I joined this class, I realized that I need to do some technical corrections in my body postures, and also the kind of energy I gathered here. So I'm also working right now, but still I can feel like I can do my self practice with the help of Sir sessions or Sir technical points. And Sir has itself is a ocean of knowledge. So I have already asked him in the morning that if he can start advanced classes also. So I would like to join again. So yeah, so overall for me it was a great exposure. I've been into practices before that also, but this is like a real practical, completely different science of yoga. You can say that you will learn from it. So that's all the positive things I've done.
Thank you.
Okay, hi everybody, I'm Megha. I'm already into yoga practice since a few years and wanted to join Sir, as everyone has seen through the Facebook and the connections and links and all. Everyone keeps on watching. So I was also always keen to join Sir some point, just because I was looking for more perfection in postures. So earlier when I was doing a posture, I was doing not at some times it was maybe just for the heck of it. Now I feel but now the engagement is more, since I am aware which muscle I'm contracting, which is expanding. So the technical glitch is the technical knowledge of the postures you would be getting, and it's a good decision that you have come here to learn from Sir, and great choice that you have made. All the best.
Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Manish. So I've joined it to learn some advanced yoga, but I got to know that I have to work on basics, and a very good opportunity to learn yoga if you have to. So you'll have to come here because there's.
कब से कर रहे हो योगा?
For last 5 or 6 years, I think.
Yes,
Before
exactly.
that, I was
That's
doing
my
like
thing.
Anulom Vilom and Pranayama, all these kind of things. But after coming here, before coming here, I was doing advanced yoga as well, because Ruchi and we were together. So we were doing very good practices there. But we need to work on basics. So I got to know it. I got to know these kind of things after coming here. So there's good teacher like Atul sir. And if you have to complete your anatomy and otherwise anatomy, you will learn so much here, like basics of yoga, theory, practical, and how to work on postures. Like if your basics will be clear, your advance will be perfect. So a good place to learn, and you are at the right place. So thank you so much.
Okay, one thing I'd like to add, that also, because since you will be future teachers, I forgot to mention that. So will also be coming across many beginners. So who have never practiced before. So Sir would also tell you modifications and also ways how injuries can be prevented. So which I found was really helpful in my classes, because not everyone can do a perfect Sarvangasana, and but then how the modifications will help them, and they'll encourage them, and they won't be disappointed then that the rest of the class is doing and they just cannot do anything. So the disappointment factor never gets in, and that is really good that Sir has given many modifications as well. कि सांप भी मर जाए लाठी भी ना टूटे.
And how to use props, wheel, and belt. How to use
use of belt.
So you will
Use
because
of
using
belt.
of props or belt, if you will
And the
use
correct
that,
use.
your posture will be perfect. And how to release the structure of your body.
We need a certificate for tying the belt. Separate.
Separately, yeah, exactly. Because सबसे ज़्यादा उसी के लिए
Which was
डांट
the
खाएंगे.
task.
उसके लिए सबसे ज़्यादा डांट खाएंगे.
हाय, आई एम राखी. मैंने भी आप लोगों की तरह एक हाउसवाइफ हूँ और 2-3 महीने 1 साल तक लगातार अपने पास ही ट्रेनिंग की, कोर्स किया, कोर्स भी क्या मतलब ऐसे योगा शौक में किया, अच्छा लगा और देन फिर आगे करने का मन हुआ कि क्या करें कैसे करें, और फेसबुक पे सर मिल गए तो वहां से सर से बात हुई और तब ये ज्वाइन किया। ये सिर्फ आपको अलाइनमेंट नहीं, बहुत कुछ सब कुछ मिल जाएगा। आप बाद में अगर एज अ टीचर ग्रो करना चाहते हो उसके लिए इतनी चीजें, इतना कुछ सीख जाओगे, करना ही नहीं कराना भी सीखो, बहुत कुछ सीखो।
It's motivation, it's teacher training course, obviously. It's not just for your.
आपके अलाइनमेंट्स, आपके पोस्चर्स, वो सब तो बहुत अच्छे होंगे ही, आप दूसरों के अलाइनमेंट और पोस्चर्स कैसे ठीक करते हो वहां तक पहुंच जाओ। सब टीचर्स बहुत अच्छे हैं और सर इज द बेस्ट।
Hi everyone, I'm Jaskiya and I've been into yoga from last year or so, and also I was not under practice when I started this course because of some health issues, and now I've been into it because the interest I've gained while practicing here, the knowledge and everything is amazing. Everything you learn from here is totally, I don't know whether you have joined somewhere else or you have practiced somewhere else, but the things he teaches us, or everything is amazing. So go ahead. Let's go.
Hi, my name is Pooja Khurana and I was quite new to the yoga. Like before joining the yoga course over here, I was doing yoga on and off at home, like the guidance of YouTube channels, and I joined Shivananda Yoga Center as well, like back 4 or 5 years back. So I saw some videos over the Facebook of Atul sir, and again I thought like I need to join over here. The day I joined over here, I realized I made the best choice, and of course, career training under your guidance was an amazing experience. And I feel blessed that I got training over here and got a deeper knowledge of yoga and the postures, breathing practice and all. So I'm just blessed. Thank you.